Have you ever wondered what everything around us is made of? The answer is matter. Matter is the substance that composes everything we see and touch, from the air we breathe to the ground under our feet. It has mass, which means it has weight, and it takes up space. Dive deeper into the physical nature of matter and you'll find fundamental properties like mass, volume, and density. Mass is the amount of matter in an object, usually measured in grams or kilograms. Volume is the space that matter occupies, measured in liters or cubic centimeters. Density, on the other hand, is the mass per unit volume. But matter isn't just one thing. It can exist in three primary states: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids have a definite shape and volume, with tightly packed particles that vibrate in fixed positions. Liquids, although they have a definite volume, take the shape of their container. Their particles are close together but can move past each other. Gases neither have a definite shape nor volume, with particles that are widely spaced and move freely. Interestingly, matter can change from one state to another by adding or removing heat energy. Heat a solid, and it may melt into a liquid. Heat it further, and it could become a gas. Conversely, cool a gas, and it might condense into a liquid, then freeze into a solid. This brings us to evaporation, the process where a liquid changes into a gas at a temperature below its boiling point. It happens when the particles at the surface of the liquid gain enough energy to break free and become vapor. This process causes a cooling effect, as the particles with higher kinetic energy leave, taking away energy from the remaining liquid particles. Sublimation is another fascinating process, where a substance transitions directly from the solid phase to the gas phase without passing through the liquid phase. This can be seen in substances like dry ice or mothballs. Then there's diffusion, the movement of particles from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. This is due to the random motion of particles and is responsible for the mixing of gases and the spreading of odors. The kinetic theory of matter explains that all matter consists of tiny particles, atoms, or molecules in constant motion. The behavior of these particles depends on the amount of kinetic energy they possess. These particles have some unique characteristics. They are always in motion, and this motion increases with temperature. Even in solids, spaces exist between particles, and these particles attract each other, keeping them together in a substance. In summary, matter is the substance that makes up our world. It comes in three states: solid, liquid, and gas, and can transition between these states through processes like heating, cooling, evaporation, and sublimation. The behavior of matter can be explained through the kinetic theory of matter, which describes the motion of atoms and molecules. Understanding these concepts is crucial to understanding the world around us.